Hello, precious people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gerard. I'm the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics, and this channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you are supporting two fabulous charities in my area. The first is a domestic violence program at the Child and Family Center, and the other is Rescues on the Runway, which is an amazing dog rescue. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to give the video a like and click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that you will know anytime that I upload a new video. So it's been a hot minute since you've seen a video from me, and I thought this would be a fun one, but somebody is here and wants to say hello. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, Yogi Bear. Say I missed you guys. Yes, I did. We all need some yogi love now and again, don't we? It really does make everything so much better. So yeah, it's been kind of crazy lately, but over the Juneteenth celebration, I did a little bit of shopping. So in case you don't know about Juneteenth is the celebration and anniversary holiday celebrating the end of slavery. And as it turns out, it was more than 2 years before the last slaves in Texas even knew that they had been freed. So it's kind of crazy. And it's a great thing to celebrate. So if you haven't seen all the great content that we did over on the Gerard Cosmetics Instagram, definitely go over, scroll down. There's some IGTV live videos. We had different creators take over the entire Juneteenth weekend and educate. So if you're interested in learning more about Juneteenth and seeing some different perspectives on it, it's a great place to go. So on Juneteenth, I decided that my way of celebrating would be to purchase only things from Black-owned brands. And so I purchased a whole bunch of stuff, and I can't wait to show it all to you. And we're just gonna jump right in and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I bought was from my friend Darien Isaac, and I got this beautiful baseball t-shirt. It is really nice quality. It's light, it's airy. I think it's appropriate for a lady or a man, and I am super, super excited to wear this. I am actually, it's about 10 o'clock at night right now, and I'm on the red eye tonight. So I thought, you know what? I'll film this video before I leave, and then I can edit on the plane. Make good use of my time, right? Because I don't know about you guys, but I can't sleep on planes. But yeah, that was my first. That's from Darien Isaac. He's amazing. He's a fantastic artist. And every brand that I show you will be linked down below. And I'll also put him right here for you so that you can take a look at just how fabulous he is. The next thing that I got was from MTF Cosmetics. I had not heard of this brand, and the beautiful owner's name is Morgan, and I had the pleasure of meeting her recently via Zoom, and just had to buy some stuff from her. So I got a loose highlighter, and this is Pegasus, and it is super pretty. It's I'm gonna put some right here. It's like a goldy, kind of like a champagne gold, I guess I would call it. Very pretty. Oh yeah, look at that. So stunning, very excited. And I also got a gloss, and this is called Zesty, is the name of the color. Beautiful, I love peaches and nudes, so very exciting. And I also got some lipsticks that can go with that from another brand. So my next brand is Selvaggio Cosmetics, and the owner's name, or CEO, founder, is Cara Janae. I'll put her right here. I met her about 3 years ago now, I think, at the American Influencer Awards, and my friend Rose and Ben was nominated, and she was down with her husband, and her mom and I were sitting up in the higher seats, and Kira and her friend came and sat next to us, and we just started up a conversation and became friends. And she's just such a sweet lady, and she actually invited me to her wedding last year, and I was so honored to go to Virginia and see her get married and meet her family and everything. It was just an amazing experience. And she has started her own brand, Selvaggio Cosmetics. So this is a lipstick called Hustle. Look Look at how pretty this is. It's kind of like, gosh, almost like 1995 vibes. Very, very pretty. And I love these components. They're little and sleek and lightweight, which I love because my purse always weighs a ton and you don't always need it. A total giant lipstick. I would say this is medium size. And then look at this beautiful nude right here. And this is called Innocent. And she told me that this shade right here was the name that her brother was going to give to his baby. And she wants to start a foundation called the Josiah Foundation after her brother, which I think is amazing. So I'm going to swatch these for you. This is Innocent and Hustle. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So you can see this one here is Hustle and this one here is Innocent. So nice. And then I also got 2 glosses. This one is called Ray. And we will put that here. And then the next one, I love this one. It's kind of purpley and it is called Opulence. So those are right there. Very, very nice. The next brand is called Bella & Co. And this is Ashley's brand. She's gorgeous. I follow her on Twitter and I will put her right here so that you can see how gorgeous she is. And these are some of the lashes. I could not find the style names and I don't know what I did with my shipping receipt because I was putting everything together, so I apologize. If I can find the names, I will put them on the screen so that you will know which ones they are. But these are the medium length lashes. So I got 2 medium length and 1 natural length. Let me tell you that these are the medium length. That's medium, girl. These are pretty major. But the styles are just gorgeous, and I see that people on Twitter wearing them and they're amazing. They're very different from a lot of other lash styles that I see. These are the ones that really stuck out to me the most. I like ones that curl up. Actually, let me take these out of the box and show them to you. These are the natural length. And I like ones that curl up because I wear my glasses a lot. And these curl up, but they're super elegant and still very full and very pretty. So I think I might have to stuff these in my bag and maybe if I get a chance to do a look this week, I will pop these on and post a picture on Instagram. So that is Bella & Co. And I sent some this would be a little credit card with it, which I thought was just such a cute little touch. Okay, the next brand is called Indi Beat. And I hadn't heard of this brand until recently, but I've been seeing them all over Twitter. And I was like, okay, I need it. And you guys know I'm an 80s girl. I love the 80s. I live for the 80s. 80s this, 80s that, 80s the other. I love everything 80s. So I had to jump on these. So these are the Bring In Da Funk lashes, and this is the style R&B. Look at Look at how pretty these are. Very flirty, just nice. And you guys know I'm such a sucker for lashes. I literally have 4 Alex drawers full of lashes, and I still keep buying lashes because I just love them. And you know what else about lashes? They don't care if you're skinny or fat. They love you. So lashes all the way. And then these are the mixtape lashes. Is that so cute? There used to be this company that in the 80s you could, well, we didn't have the internet back then, so you had to call, but you could call and you could select like from a list of songs, and you could put all your favorite songs on a mixtape, and they would record it for you and send it to you. And I had one of those, and I thought I was super duper cool. So anybody who's been around since the 80s, you know the struggle, the rewind, the fast forward, what a mess. Auto eject, the whole deal. So these are called Play, and they are super cute. And I did get one more pair of lashes, and these are called, oh, these are R&B. So these are the ones the other ones that I showed you. I really like that style. Okay, and then there's also 2 palettes here. So this one is called the Heartthrobs palette. Look at how pretty this color story is. That really spoke to me. So I'm definitely gonna have to play with this. soon, like when I get back, and maybe I'll do it on live, maybe I'll do it in a video, I'm not sure which yet. And then this one is called Flip It and Reverse It, and you can see it's written in reverse, and it's got a high top Converse, which, you know, that was all us in the 80s. And then here's a super fun, bright color story. So very, very excited about that. And there's two like little lip lock glosses. One is Pop and Pear and Solo Coffee. I'm assuming that these are scented. I have not checked them out yet, and they're taped shut. So, and the owner's name of this company is India, and she wrote me a very nice note, which I thought was very sweet. And then there's also, she sent me a mirror. So very nice. I'm super excited to try this brand. Like I said, I've been seeing them all over Twitter, and I just had to do it, girl. I couldn't say no. And then last, well, not last, because I have a, you know me, I have a bonus for you. But this company here is called Gem Blender, and it is owned by Miss Destiny Godly. I will put her right here for you. If you've been following me for a long time, like doing back to my Facebook lives and stuff, I had, she had sent me some earlier prototypes to test out, maybe a year or more ago. And it's a really interesting tool for applying all kinds of makeup, foundation, powder, concealer, and all of that. I'm really thinking, I know that I used the other ones that she sent me and I really enjoyed them. So I'm thinking that I may make a video with this and maybe compare it to, you know, something like the Blendiful or, you know, beauty blender sponge. Oh, I just dropped my beauty blender. But you know what a beauty blender looks like. But maybe I'll compare it to some other tools, just, you know, for you guys to see what it's all about. But I'm super excited to try this, and Destiny is gorgeous. She does amazing work. You're gonna love her. Okay. And now, last but not least, this is actually a Latina owned brand, and she sent me these in PR, but it's Rose Velez. I love her. She's so sweet. And she's got Velez Beautii now. So she sent me two of her very beautiful glosses. I hope the lighting will do them justice. They're so pretty. Matter of fact, maybe we can just swatchy a little. Okay, so there's the one, very sheer, super elegant. And let's see if there's a name on this. I don't see a name on it. And then I got a nude one as well. This is so pretty. It's like a champagne-y kind of thing. Oh, yeah, right there. Very, very pretty. This would be beautiful over a lipstick or liquid lipstick. So, again, amazing. I do actually have more stuff coming that I bought strictly from Black-owned brands around Juneteenth, and not all of it has come yet. So maybe I'll do another video. If you guys want to see another video with the additional items that I still have coming, let me know and down below, and I will be glad to do that. And yeah, just I've missed you guys. I don't know, everything is so crazy right now, you know. So do me a favor, do you a favor, and you know, check in on yourself. Make sure that you're doing okay. All this stuff that's going on, all the things that we're seeing, you know, like sometimes like our minds and our bodies can't help but react to it. So you know, listen to yourself, and if you need to take a little breaky, take a little break. I definitely needed to do that, just so that I could, you know, recenter, balance my spirit, so that I can, you know, come back, be myself, and you know, not feel I don't know, just like eliminate some of the really negative feelings and think about good things and positive things, and what we can do in a good way to enact change in our community. And I'm here for it. So with all of that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give the video a like and click the subscribe button down below. And if you ring the bell, you'll know anytime that I upload a new video. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I just hope that you're having a totally awesome day, and I will be talking to you very, very soon. Bye.